say whenever we need to find, we need to get, okay, we need to get the total size of an array or a list, then it is very simple idea how we can get it. And you can use len function, you can use array method. Okay, so method. So now tell me how we can use the simple idea. As is my variable, and this L we can pass the variable name. So here is what variable name is an array variable as defined above. If I try to print x, then what value do we print it over here? Of course, 10 we print it over here. Now see, 10 is coming over here. So now discrete. Now I know what is the air contained. So as we know over here, this is the value. Now this part is clear to all so far. Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
next
sir.
exercise, okay, good. Next exercise I am doing insert an element at a specific specified position. Okay, I can update string specified position. Let me solve this problem. So array we have. Okay, so array we have. There is no issue. Array is already defined. And I just need to insert something into the array variable that is ar dot insert. So insert is a method by which I can do. Now tell me at which position I want to insert, or at which index location value I need to insert. So syntax will be here, first parameter, that is index value, and other parameter will be the value. So first parameter will be the index value, and other value will be the element value, element as a value for information. So at which index value I should insert another value. Please tell me.
Sir,
Sir,
5.
fourth.
Okay, 5. So 5 is the you're talking about the fourth. The fourth is the index value we can pass, but it will come on the fifth position. So if we're talking about the fifth position or fourth index value, then 10, 9, 18, 27. So value to be inserted on the after the 17. So I'm inserting here the different values, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this one. Let me try to execute this code, and then after I just want to print my array variable and see result it is working or not. So just let me check. Yes, it is working, and now it is inserted at the fourth position or fifth index. So you can see, sorry, fourth index and fifth position. So you can see. So this is a simple line of the code. As a student asked me, sir, can you just insert the any element as a specific function? We can do. So of course, with the help of the insert function, insert method, we can do. And of course, this insert method is applicable to the list as well. So we can also use the insert method.
Sir,
Yes, yes, please tell me.
sir, how can we take array as an input?
How we can take the array as an input? So this is the good question you have asked. So we can do simple. So how many elements you want to insert? This is my first point. So I'm
5.
making a simple. I'm making simple program. You want your query will be short out within the 2 minutes. Now see, and if you want to insert 10 elements, suppose you want to insert 10 element or 5 elements. Just we can take the 5 element. 5 elements by user input. Okay, this is your question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the number variable, we can take integer value in from the input. So enter number. So this is my program. So I can do. Just give me 1 second. I think this will be the message like this one. So with this function, we can take the input, but we need to take input of 5 times. So how we can take? By using a for loop. I can take this input by the 5 times. So we can take it. Now is it okay? statement is clear to all? Please let me know. With this function, how many times input I can take? 5 times. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here I'm just defining a temporary variable, temporary array. So this is a temporary array. So this temporary array will be the empty. So what I'm defining? I'm defining the empty array, and we know there is nothing into the my temporary array. So let me first print temporary array. Okay. This is my temporary variable which does not belong to anything. Just let me run this program to check whether it is correct. So okay, so this input okay is two times
The
coming. Sorry. Yes, no, there was two times the double quote we have. That's why we got the error now. So empty array to be printed over here. So I'm just taking the input 5 times. So far the program is working finely. So there is no issue. Now let me come to my program once again to execute all the things. Now, so I just want to take the input. So first, let me define a array variable. So before that, let me define the array variable. Import array as a t. T is my temporary array variable. So sorry, array variable by which I can manage each and everything. So here, how I can take the simple concept t dot, or we can say temp array equal to t dot by using array method, and what kind of value I need to insert? Integer type, and that is to be inserted into the one second, let me correct this one. Okay, there is no
So
this
can we
point I will
directly
take.
write append?
No,
Can we directly write append?
instead of the yes, we can use a append, or you can use a insert. So we can dot e dot append. We can do, okay, by which we can do. So append, we can do the append, or what is the parameter we need to pass? Please, can anyone tell me?
I num
So
num num num.
no, why the num we can do. So in the append, what we need to do? We need to pass the value. So, okay, we can pass the append num. So of course we can do. So with help of the this concept we can do, and this will be now. Just let me clear, and this should be empty array. So empty array can be done by like this one. Now that should be I. Now that is empty array defining. Previously, we are without the array method, it was a list. So now it is empty array. And with help of the append method, we can do, of course, good. This is a good idea. Actually, I was planning to use the index value to insert the element at the specified position. So you can use your logic. So by using the append method, we can do. So after this one, but here t will be followed by the temp. Okay, with this one we can do. And at the last, we try to print temp here, and let us check it is working or not. So I think there should not be an error. So first element I'm taking, and this one. Good. Yes, now it is array. The element which is entered by me is printing over here. Yes. And first it is printing by the blank array. So we have the answer over here. Yes, a student asked me a question. It is clear to you, my dear. Tell me. This is
yes,
the
sir.
solution code we have. Now, now it is clear to you right now. Please tell
Yes,
me.
yes, sir.
Okay. So by using the append function instead of the append function, you can use the insert function. And how we can do? And so again, we can use the same thing, and we can use a temp array dot insert. Let me check by this function, and what is the index value? Of course.
0.
So index value no zero I we can take I, and we can take the num. And with the help of the such thing we can do. Just let me try to execute this code and see whether it will work or not. See, I'm taking the. Yes, it is also working. So with help of the insert method, we can do. So both function will work finely. So this is by using by using pen method. Actually, previously I was planned to add variable like this one, and next by using insert method. So it's up to you what kind of method you are using for solving a problem. It's up to you. It's your logic. Okay, so you can use any one logic. So both deliver finally. Now you can see the result here. So everything is working finally over here without enter. Yes, this is clear to you right now.
Yes, sir.